Hey guys, so today we're going to be discussing the endangered manatee. And to give a little background, manatees are large, gentle, slow-moving creatures found along the coast of Florida. Many of these manatees, however, are injured or killed by boats. And the table here basically shows data on the number of boats being registered in thousands and the number of manatees killed by boats from the years 1977 through 2007. And so to solve our problem, we're basically just going to start by stating what we're trying to solve, which is what correlation do the deaths of manatees have with the number of boats being registered. And to plan out how we're going to solve our problem, we are going to basically make a scatter plot so we can easily visualize the direction, form, strength of the relationship, as well as see if there are any outliers. And to explain the outcome of the study, we're going to use manatees killed as our response variable. And to explain changes in the response variable, we're going to use boats registered as our explanatory variable. So here's our scatter plot, and we're basically just plotting the points from this graph right here into the scatter plot. And on the x-axis, we're going to have boats registered in thousands. And on the y-axis, we're going to have manatees killed. Alright, so now we're going to move on to actually solving our problem. And as we look at our finished scatter plot, we can clearly see that more boats being registered have a correlation with more manatees being killed. The scatter plot's form is linear, and its direction follows a straight line from the bottom left to the upper right. The strength of the relationship is strong because none of the points we see here greatly depart from the line, and we can also see that there are no outliers. To conclude our problem, there is a relationship between the number of manatees killed and the number of registered boats. As more boats are being registered, more manatees are being killed. So to conclude this video presentation, I do want to emphasize that association does not imply causation, and Alyssa's going to explain a little more on that.
Like what other things can cause manatees death or whatever. Like you can say kind of like natural death, littering could be one, and then like I guess those are two variables that also contribute because they also cause manatees death.